Why do we need string theory? Humans have searched for years for the theory of everything. It began with Albert Einstein, who for 2 years of his life sought to unify gravity, the electromagnetic force, and the two nuclear forces into a single equation, the God equation. After, Leonard Euler found an equation that summarized the fundamental constants of mathematics. 1 plus e raised to p equals 0. It was called the good equation of mathematics, but it was useless for physics, and physics is very important. Over time, Newton developed the mechanics of moving objects and gravity, helping to lay the foundation for the Industrial Revolution. And Maxwell and Faraday put together electricity and magnetism to give use the electromagnetic force. Every time a force was untangled, the history of humanity changed. And now we want to put everything together. We want an equation that unifies relativity and quantum theory. So far, there is only one theory that has survived all challenges, a string theory. But what is a string theory? It's a theory that says that if you can look into the hair of an electron, you will see that it is a rubber band, a teeny vibrating string. There are an infinite number of vibrations, and that is why we have subatomic particles. Each of the subatomic particles corresponds to a different set of vibrations in a rubber band. A string theory allows you to rotate particles around each other by turning electrons into neutrinos, neutrinos into quarks, and the theory remains the same. That's the symmetry of the string, and that is why it's so powerful. This theory is impossible to contradict, because it allows the presence of perhaps time machines, wormholes, the universe before the Big Bang, parallel universe, the multiverse, things outside the Twilight Zone, and none of us can prove otherwise. This is why we need a string theory.